and then you want the end to stay up. So you're not really going to push that down. You're just going to... Hey y'all, it's your girl Ree, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below. If you are already one of the girls, hey girl. So today, you guys, I will be doing the puffy edges, and I'll be showing y'all details on how to get your edges like this. If you ain't already doing this, sis, then you behind. Okay, period. You will need a flat iron. You will need a two-sided brush. And you will need a mirror in front of you, honey. Okay, I got this cute little mirror. So yeah, let's get right into this video. I'm not gonna talk for too long. Also, if you haven't noticed already, my nails, y'all already know how that goes. 𝚂𝚘𝚌𝚕 on Instagram, the link is right here. Make sure you go follow that right now. Okay, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Follow my personal Instagram, it's gonna be up here as well. So yeah, let's get right into this video, y'all. Okay, you guys, so first I'm gonna start. I put my hair back into a slick bun. This isn't the best slick I've done, but I just want to get straight to the point. Don't mind the beeping in the back, y'all, because if y'all know I've been trying to get it fixed. I've been trying to get some new batteries and it just ain't been going my way. So just ignore it if you can. If you can't, I'm sorry. So make sure you have one of these. It's so convenient. It has a comb on one side and it has a little mini brush on the other side. Make sure you have a hot comb. This is a really old hot comb that I have. Got it from my sister, and it's both sided. I don't even know if, yeah, it's both sided. I'm gonna use this to curl my edges. So first we're gonna start by sectioning off your edges. When you gel your hair back, you want to make sure that you leave your edges dry so that when you pull them out, you don't have to worry about the product like pulling your edges out, because that, it hurts when you do that. So I'm gonna section it off like this. I like a lot of edges, so I'm just gonna take out a lot. I like to only section off, it look like a bald spot. I like to only section off the top, and then this part I like to like push it back because I want a really big edge right here. So I'm gonna pull out some right here. As y'all can see, these is gonna give grown adult edges, but they gonna be so fire, bro. Just stay tuned because they about to give. It's so crazy because this is the ugly side of my face, but this is the side that the edges lay so good, like So we got that section off, and then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So I feel like this is kind of like an updated version of my other edge video if you haven't already watched it, but this is like an updated version. If you like doing a swoop in the top, you could take out hair for the top. If not, you don't have to. I think I'm gonna do it in this video just to kind of like have that extra effect. So I'm gonna take out hair from this side because I like my swoop to go around this way. So we're gonna like kind of try to mold it. My hair is like really long. These are grown women edges, like I said. So we're gonna do this. I just blow dried my hair a little bit, so that's why it's kind of like already straight a little bit. Okay, I had to zoom in some more so y'all could really see the details of it. So I'm gonna continue to take out this side. You can do as many swoops as you want to do. I like a lot of swoops, but at the same time, it might be too much. So I'm just eyeballing it. You kind of just have to eyeball it. So boom, this side is giving bald, like I have no edges right there. I promise y'all I do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and curl it. It don't even matter if it's curled, really. I wish I had a better curler, but I don't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to curl it. Y'all, most of the time it don't even really be working how I want it to. But y'all gonna see. Oh, it did it. So there's the first curl. I curl inwards. I mean, if you want to curl outward, you can. I don't really think it matters. So this side is fully curled. Now I'm gonna do this side. Okay, so now everything is curled. Real simple. Let me turn this light off. Then I'm gonna go in with some 𝚂𝚘𝚌𝚕. You don't want to use too much. I put it on the back of my hand. A little bit to make sure your edges don't curl up. Depending on the type of hair you got, you want to make sure your edges don't curl up. So I like to use both the comb and the brush. It doesn't really matter. It's just your preference. So I'm gonna start with, let's see. I like to do this first because I want to see where I want everything to be, kind of. I consider this like low-key like molding it first. I think I'm gonna do one down here. Yeah, so I'm gonna do two to the bottom sideburns and then the one at the top. I might speed this up because I might have to start from the bottom and just work my way up, being that they're so big. So I don't want my hair to curl up, so I'm just going to dip my finger and put it at the base like that, and then curl it. Like that. And with each one you want to go in and blow dry it. So you're gonna blow dry it, dip your finger in it, put it on the base, so you want to use your fingers to guide it. As you like, as y'all can see, I'm like guiding it with my hands, and you're gonna just curl it up like that. And you want the ends to stay fluffy like that. So you're just gonna curl the ends kind of in, and then you're gonna blow dry it. You get it? So my hair is really long and I don't want to cut it, so don't judge me if y'all see that extra big long piece. I kind of like it and I don't want to cut my hair. So then you just want to keep going up. I'm about to do this piece right here. Okay, so now we're gonna do this piece. Same method. We're gonna put it. So when you guys do it, you want to make sure you put it on the base. You want to make sure you put it on the base, and then you just let the rest of the hair kind of flow because you already curled it. So with the top piece, I like to drag it this way. Ooh. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this. I don't know if y'all can see. looks crazy right now, but that finished look, baby, is gonna be it. You kind of just let the hair do its thing. And I know I make it look so easy, but I'm telling y'all right now, if you curl your hair, that is the real true trick. Like, it don't matter if you got 4C hair, it don't matter if you got, it don't matter what type of hair type you got. If you curl it, it's like once you try to do that swoop, it's gonna swoop itself, as y'all can see. I barely did anything. And it looks a little messy, but that's kind of like the look, like that fluffy, messy look. So I don't really want it too perfect. I just don't want my hair to curl up. So that's what the blow dryer is for. I don't know what's going on right here, but so we're gonna blow dry that just to fix it. My hair just be acting so stank. Like, what is it doing? What is this? Grab that blow dryer before it's too late. Then we gonna kind of fix this part. Same thing on this side. So I'm gonna start from the bottom. This side is always harder for me because I'm right-handed, so I be feeling like I'm breaking my neck to kind of see, but because they're messy edges, they don't have to be perfect, so it makes it easier. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below. I also have something that I usually like to put on it just to kind of secure it. I'm gonna show you guys when I finish this, so stay tuned. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you made it this far. And of course, you guys, I got my nails from Royal Nails, so make sure you check in. I already said that in the beginning of the video, but I'm just repeating myself because why not? Like, support your own brand, support your business, period. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the second swoop. Mind you, I already told you guys, if you don't want to do this many swoops, you don't have to. Like, if this is too much for you, girl, you don't have to. Do what you want to do. You're gonna take your brush or your comb, whichever you prefer. You're gonna go behind it with your finger because you want to basically keep it pushed down, mold it. So you're gonna go behind it just like that. I'm already liking how that looks. And then you want the end to stay up, so you're not really going to push that down, you're just gonna let it fly up. Boom, simple like that. Take your blow dryer, blow dry it. You want to blow dry it in the upward motion, so that way the little tail can curl in instead of coming down and looking straight. So blow dry it up. Y'all see what I'm saying? So if you want, you can make your swoop go this way, or you can make your swoop go the other way to follow the rest. I feel like either way is cute. I don't know. I kind of like how this one's already going in that direction. It's like giving, it's different. Let's see how the other way is gonna look. Let's see, let's see, let's see. What y'all think? Should I do this way? I kind of like how big this one is. I should have did this one like this. That's like a look. Oh my gosh, hold on. I'm trying to take like a thumbnail picture. That's so cute. a little curl sticking out. Y'all see it? So these are the big fluffy edges, and it's giving Spanish mommy. But no, this is really cute. The edges are so big. Oh my gosh, I think this is the biggest I've done them. But y'all, so this is the finished product. I like it. I like it. I don't do this look all the time, but I feel like it's one of my new go-tos. I should make it my new go-to. The only thing is the whole like straightening my hair to do this look is just kind of aggravating. That's an extra step that I typically don't need. There's another way I do my edges. I can do a tutorial on that as well. That one is without flat ironing, so I think I'm going to make that one my updated edge video. I should have did that this time, but I just wanted to do like the fluffy look. I don't know, the fluffy look is giving the girls like exactly what they needed. So yeah, this is the tutorial. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.